А сега имаме голема чест и задоволство да ги видиме победниците на Струмичкиот карнавал 2023. Тоа е маската Волшебникот од Оз на гостите од Радовиш. Повелете, може, ајде, еден по еден, одлично. Значи, ова се гостите од Радовиш, победници на Струмичкиот карнавал 2023, маската насловена како Волшебникот од Оз. Добродојдовте во светот на Волшебникот од Оз. Дали може да се поправи и промени се? Дали може светот да биде чудесен? Сте се запрашале, зар не? Леле, колку? 1, 2, 3, 4, многу. Да ја погледнеме и оваа маска.
I wonder if there is such a place, Toto. There must be. Not a place you can get to by boat or train. It's a place far, far away, behind the moon, beyond the rain. Somewhere over the rainbow, way up high, there's a land that I heard of once in a lullaby. Somewhere over the rainbow, skies are blue, and the dreams that you dare to dream really do come true. My, people come and go so quickly here. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road.
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick, follow the yellow brick, follow the yellow brick road. You're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz. 2 times he is a wizard of Wiz, if ever a wiz there was. If ever a wiz there was, the Wizard of Oz is one because of the wonderful things he does. You're off to see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
It really was no miracle. What happened was just this. The wind began to switch, the house to pitch, and suddenly the hinges started to unhitch. Just then, a witch, to satisfy an itch, went flying on her broomstick, coming for a hitch. And oh, what happened then was rich. The house began to pitch, the kitchen took a switch. It landed on the wicked witch in the middle of a ditch. Which was not a healthy situation for a wicked witch. Ding dong, the witch is dead. Witch, oh witch, the wicked witch. Ding dong, the wicked witch.